I've got the OnePlus 13 and I'll be showing you how to use the palm gesture for selfies on your OnePlus 13. So you want to be able to open the selfie camera and maybe use the palm gesture to take selfies. But to do that, you first of all have to enable that feature. So tap on the three-line button in the top right corner and select Settings. Under Settings, go to Shooting Methods, tap on that, and then you should see Show Palm. So make sure that is enabled, because if it's not enabled, you won't be able to do this. Now, once it's enabled, you can now go back to the camera app, the selfie camera, just show it your palm. As soon as it detects your palm, it should take a selfie. Okay. Now, it kind of has to see your face. So there you go, selfie camera, show the palm. You can see it detects the palm. Give me a 3-second timer and takes the selfie. Let's try that again. My palm, 3-second timer, and it takes the selfie. Once again, there you go. So that is basically how to use the palm gesture to take selfies on your OnePlus 13. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.